Alright, today I'm going to install this Trac automatic window and mirror system. It's an all-in-one version. So you've just got the one box instead of if you bought them separately, which is A, more expensive, and B, take up a lot more room. So you just need the kit, which comes with a little plastic tool. You need a Phillips head screwdriver and a pair of pointy nose pliers. That's it. And the first thing you got to do is put the window down before we go any further. So that exposes that screw. There we go. Right, so using the tool and giving it a good pull, get that up, and then just in there, you can see the white clip. That's what you need your pointy nose pliers for. Grab onto that to pull that out. Now this should just pop up and out, hopefully. There we go. And out it comes. You should be able to get in there to get those, disconnect those cables. And that's where all your stuff's going to sit down in under here. Now that we've got all that out of the way, now you've got your other two screws there. So you've got 3 screws that you need to undo. We need to undo this little one up here and take that cap off. And then I think that door skin will pull off, and we just have to disconnect the bars behind the door handle and the lock. Now I've got all the screws out, and you should be able to, down here somewhere, you should be able to get your hand behind it and just give it a good pull. And then follow along and keep going. All the way around. Take that off. There we go. And that can now lift off, and then you just undo the bars behind there. And then we have this. So I believe it's this one here that needs to come off. Pretty easy. You just rip the existing one out of the door there for the lock and patch that together. Run the cable over there. And then you're going to patch the existing two from the central locking and mirror window system in. All right, into there. So you just patch them into the existing one, and then that there is going to go into your Trac system, which will pop in. Now, when you're looking at something roughly like that, you should be able to just flip it over so that you can access that there. And stick that on. Okay, there we go. So you can see there, that'll all just pop back in, and you should be able to get into that system. Now just reverse order, put it all back on. Don't forget to put your door lock on that back on, your handle. And what you want to do, turn on the accessories. As you can see there, you just give it a tap and the window is automatic now, which it never was before. So it all works. So keep going and put them back together. Now if I walk away, the mirror should fold in when it locks. There we go. And out they come. More importantly, let's put a couple of windows down. Let's put a couple of windows down. And windows go up. Too easy. All works. Yeah, the one I really want to see is this is why I've got the these on. Lock, unlock, lock. And then, yep, there we go. All of the windows just came down that little tiny bit. So lock, unlock, lock. Yep, so it's just getting air in. Beautiful. Works like a charm.